Hello everyone, we are on Channel Sport. Today we'll be interested on an incredible player who is evolving in the French rugby team from 7 to 15. He is one of the best rugby players of this time.
We devoted a report about him because it's one of our greater French hopes for the Olympic Games of 2024. This is Virimi Vakatawa. Each weekend, he dazzled us by his technical class and his most insane epic.
Virimi Vakatawa will undoubtedly be the new attraction of Blue for this future Olympic.
The great player Virimi Vakatawa was born in New Zealand on the 1st of May 1992. He is a rugbyman. He began his career in Fiji, while he was playing for his school. Then he was recruited by a French team Racing 92 on the top 14 in 2010. He joined the French national team in 2014 and he became a star in the French Sevens team since 2016 to play for the 2016 Six Nations Championship and the Olympic Games in Rio. His position is wing and center. On the 1st of May 2016, Vakatawa signed a 2-year deal with the FFR. Suffice to say, his future is already mapped out.
Vakatawa has the physical qualities except standards. He is ultra powerful, nimble, and with a confusing burst of speed. I will not like to find myself opposite in underground. Moreover, its nickname is Pom Pom. It refers to the noise of his percussion when he renverses his adversaries. Furthermore, he is the best marker of test of his team. His presence on the ground is uncontested. Rugby and its rule makes a very particular sport of this. It is about a team sport in contact with balloon. Its principal specificity into the mixed the game with the hand and the foot.
Today, the unfortunate Virimi got partially hurt at his posterior ligament of his knee. He can't play at the tournaments in Hong Kong and Singapore.
The wound which emerge more to rugby and the concussion, one count each year, more and more of them. One can quote rather consequent number of commotions. There were 95 of the ground of professional rugby the season last. The shocks are more violent one season after the other. It should not be forgotten that rugby is considered as a sport of combat, and the action on the ground is very physical and virulent. We can think of the plating, for example. Rugby is dangerous for health and can leave some after effect. It is necessary to take precaution concerning the practice of this sport.
Will we see Virimi play at the 2024 Olympic Games in Paris? He is young, he has several titles, he is a strong player in the French team, he is one of the most important elements for his partners. He has already played at the Olympic Games, and more. He's handsome. Therefore, he will have every chance to play at the 2024 Olympic Games in Paris.